Seems like only yesterday when I was hard on my grind, flying state to state. Didn't care what people thought or what they had to say, as long as they wasn't in the way of my paper chase. But as I started getting older, man, my mind state changed. Finally realized all the support I had throughout the game, but I never took the time to show appreciation. So I'm writing this song as a dedication to all my friends, all my fans, and all my family. Thanks for all the love and support. Without y'all, man, I wouldn't be who I am today. Has a lot to do with yesterdays, and yesterdays are the days that I can't forget. So I must say that the past is what makes the presence, and the presence must be good and leave a good future essence. Meaning I'ma give back to all the ones that helped me from back then until now, keeping me on my feet. I wanna thank you for all that you've done in my life. No matter what it was, no matter the fight, you'll always care for me, helping me with no one in sight. You'll always there for me, guiding me throughout my life. I wanna thank you for all that you've done in my life. No matter what it was, no matter the fight, you'll always care for me, helping me with no one in sight. You'll always there for me, guiding me throughout my life. So let me start it off by saying thank you to my family. Titus, you and your mom's influenced daddy heavily. You my inspiration, and mommy is my biggest fan. I'm in this position because of both your helping hands. Next I wanna say thank you to my mom and dad, like y'all supported me. Even though some things that they really made y'all mad, we put the nonsense to the side. You told me go follow my dreams, I took them words from me, and now all I can do is succeed. I wanna give a big thanks to Jack and Nan. Y'all helped me so much, like I'ma give back whatever I can. My brother Pete took care of me throughout my teen years. Sister Megan drove me around, so you could say she helped steer me into the right roads. Even when the doors closed, lights fade away, family will still be here, so it wouldn't matter. You can let this image shatter in my family. Beside me, I can make it through whatever. I wanna thank you for all that you've done in my life. No matter what it was, no matter the fight, you'll always care for me, helping me with no one in sight. You'll always there for me, guiding me throughout my life. I wanna thank you for all that you've done in my life. No matter what it was, no matter the fight, you'll always care for me, helping me with no one in sight. You'll always there for me, guiding me throughout my life. To the fans, I wanna thank each and one of you. Y'all show me love and supported me in all I do. Embraced my music when others had no faith. Told me keep doing it when others started to hate. Kept me going at my lowest point in life. Y'all kept me growing, so for y'all I must do right. What can I say, but I swear I got the best fans. I'ma do what I can to answer all your questions. And even though sometimes I don't reply, don't assume it's on purpose. It's just that I've been busy dealing with my personal life. Y'all is always on my mind every time I write. And last but not least, let's remember the deceased and take this time to say rest in peace. Y'all will never be forgotten, even though you're gone. You helped us out so much, so for us to live on. I wanna thank you for all that you've done in my life. No matter what it was, no matter the fight, you'll always care for me, helping me with no one in sight. You'll always there for me, guiding me throughout my life. I wanna thank you for all that you've done in my life. No matter what it was, no matter the fight, you'll always care for me,